What's the matter?
I don't like bugs.
That's alright. You bigger than him. And then, you know? Ball. What are you doing, Jaden? Better not be touching the. No. What's going on with you today? No shot? Yeah. 1, 2. Stop. Miss again. Okay, I'll hold it. You not even looking, you shooting. You gotta look where you're shooting. Look at the hoop and picture it going in there. Yeah, perfect. Do like it. Remember, look at the hoop and picture it going in there. Perfect. Again. Now move further back. Or move to the right. You need. I gotta put more head for you in that ball. It's not bouncing. I mean, correctly. It's bouncing, but not correctly. What?
I can't do like that.
What? Oh yeah. Dunk. Dunk it. Go dunk the ball. That's not a dunk. You know when you run in and dunk and jump and dunk. Dunk it. You gonna run and dunk the ball? Show him. Show him you could dunk. Yeah. Alright. One more time.